knew that regulatory-driven, career-oriented training was a great niche for Riverside to invest in. These are companies where the training isn't optional. It's required by law for people to get into and exceed in their chosen careers. So we took that knowledge and applied it to the idea for OnCourse Learning, which is to build a diversified, career-oriented training company that just didn't exist at the time. We started building OnCourse Learning with two companies, American Home Inspector Training and Specialized Solutions.
Outside we look pretty good here, just normal maintenance is needed. Why don't we head inside, we can talk a little bit more about the property.
When I was looking to prepare to be a home inspector, I wanted to tune in on the things that I needed to know, and American Home Inspection Training helped me with that.
Right away we saw a particular opportunity in real estate and financial services, and the rest of our add-on acquisitions were focused on those markets.
Once the recession hit, a whole new set of regulations were promulgated under Dodd-Frank. The way we addressed the training needs for our employees resulting from the changes in the regulatory environment was by using Banker's Edge.
We brought in SHEAHAN, the CEO. He brought large company skills at budgeting, strategic planning, leadership, and cross-functional fertilization to be able to get people in the various companies that we'd acquired talking to each other and to start thinking of themselves as OnCourse Learning employees.
When you consider that we're in 7 professions across 50-odd jurisdictions, the content development and approval process is quite complex. So the ability to understand the different regulatory requirements and use your content and repurpose and reformat it across those professions, across those states in a very efficient manner is really the secret sauce to OnCourse Learning. Many of the businesses that we acquired were category killers in a geographic area. Riverside's support and encouragement allowed us to take those businesses that were strong in a certain geography and invest in the content, resources, the technology to expand on a national footprint. Another important way that Riverside supported us along the way was the Riverside Toolkit. We relied on their partners to help us define and implement a technology roadmap that became the cornerstone of OnCourse Learning.
OnCourse Learning is a very unique asset in that there aren't many diversified, career-oriented, regulatory-driven training companies that exist. And it's a market that lots of buyers view as very attractive space to be in. Those two things together, combined with a great growth story and great management team, led to a very excited buyer universe and successful process.